guys, so I wanted to try this gacha club thing that's new, and yeah, the only one that I did is this one, and I'm gonna change it. We're gonna change all of them. Yeah, there's gonna be a part 2 and this one, and this is my friend. I need to change her eyes. Let's go to eyes. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Eyes. Move them, not that close. A little bit. There. And that's how I wanted to do him. And we're gonna do this and this one. So let's start with me. Oopsies, I didn't mean to do that. So let's start with me. I don't know why I have so much pink. I didn't mean to have so much pink. Okay. So I'm gonna see if there's my favorite one here, because I have a favorite one. I want to know if it's here. So let's do it fast. No, I don't know if it's here. So let's go to here. I didn't mean to do that. I think it's over here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you more. So I'm gonna show you more. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so let's first start with my hair. Oh, maybe it's here. Yeah, maybe it's over here. Oh, I didn't mean to. So, I don't know, is this gonna be pretty? I don't know, but I think I should choose this. I don't know, is that good, guys? I don't know. I don't really think that's good. So I'm gonna put something else. So should I do this one? Yeah, I think I should do that one. I want long hair. This long hair. No, it's not long hair. And what about this? Yep, I love this one hair. But like, no, that's too long. Like this much long. No, like not that. Yeah, like that. So now let's go with eyes. I don't want this eye. I want this eye like this. Dolls? Dolls? Yeah, I want that. What is this? I don't know what is it. So I'm gonna remove it. Nah. I don't know. I want it to look like so cute like that, and that looks cute. Yes. pets? Wait, you can put pets? I didn't know that. So, pets should I do? I think I should do this cat. I'm gonna do my little cat. He's black. He's kind of white. Yeah, he is. And he has this. And I don't know, he's a boy, so I'm gonna put like black. Oh, that's so cute on him. He actually really looks like Kofi. So I think now it's my outfit. I think I should add this cute little thing on me. Should I have I really want this. I don't really want any of this. And yeah, I forgot. Hair, I don't want to be like this. I want to be like that. And there's this blue. And this should not be this color because it looks like I'm turning really old. So yeah. And this should be like this color. Yeah. There should be that color. And I think that. So I think that's cute. And should I add something like a cat, a little cat? Nah. I wanna be. And I want a wing. Oh, wings. I wanna look interesting. I want this tail. It looks so cute. Nano gloves. So now I'm gonna put this on. And I don't know. Should I put this? I think I should put these on. So this is me, guys. Yeah, this is me. Hey, tell me how cute I look. Wait, what? How can this be me? No. Sorry, guys. I got confused. I don't know. I get confused. So, is this the skirt I wanted? No, that was not the skirt I wanted. This skirt. Yeah, I wanted this skirt. And yeah, we have to turn everything blue. So yeah. And guys, this is so cool. Look. Whoa. Okay, let's turn it to black. Now we have to change it to dark blue. And this light blue. And yeah, and now it matches. So this is me, guys. I hope you like it. Yeah. What else? I'm actually missing. Yeah, my shoes. Look at them. I don't like them. These, okay. So I want two shoes. Are they not teddies? Oh yeah, they're teddies. So okay. cute teddy. Like that. Now I'm done. So I hope you like it, guys. Wait a second. Wait a second. No, wait a sec. I should not be. Okay. And light blue. Okay, now I like that, and I want this color. Okay, done. So this is me, guys. I hope you like it. Bye! And yeah, wait. Like the button and subscribe.